Today's biggest tech story is not just that Uber and Nuro are testing Robotaxis. It's that Robotaxis have now moved one step closer to becoming a real product inside the Uber app. Nuro says select Uber employees in the San Francisco Bay Area can already request these rides directly through Uber, with the autonomous system active and a safety operator behind the wheel. That sounds small, but strategically it is a very big deal. Here's why. For years, self-driving announcements have mostly lived in demos, pilot programs, or flashy reveal events. What changes today is the workflow. This test connects the rider interface, the vehicle, the autonomy system, and the operating playbook in one live loop. In other words, this is no longer just a cool car. It's a service test. And the stack here is important. Uber brings the demand engine and the consumer habit. Nuro brings the Level 4 self-driving system. Lucid brings the premium electric vehicle platform. Put those together, and you get a serious attempt to build not just autonomous driving technology, but an autonomous transportation business. That is much harder, and much more valuable, than building a good demo. The premium angle matters too. This is not positioned as a cheap robo-shuttle. It is being framed as a premium robotaxi service, which suggests Uber and its partners may believe the first winning use case is higher value rides where customers will pay for comfort, novelty, and convenience before autonomy becomes a mass-market commodity. But this is also where the tension lives. Employee rides are controlled. Public launches are messy. Scaling means proving safety, handling weird city edge cases, managing regulation, and making the economics work after all the hardware, compute, fleet, and operations costs are counted. The industry has learned that autonomy is not won by one impressive ride. It is won by repeatability. So the real significance of today's news is this: Uber and Nuro are trying to turn Robotaxis from a headline into a habit. If they can move from employee rides to public riders without breaking trust, they become a serious force in the autonomy race. And if they cannot, this will be remembered as another polished milestone that still fell short of product-market reality. That's why this story matters. The robotaxi race is no longer just about who can drive. It is about who can launch, integrate, scale, and earn rider trust first. And today, Uber and Nuro just took one of the clearest steps yet toward that fight.